Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: the low-carb diet for type 1 diabetics, a comprehensive guide. If you or your loved ones are managing type 1 diabetes, this video is a must-watch. We'll be exploring the ins and outs of adopting a low-carb diet to effectively manage your blood sugar levels and enhance your overall well-being. So let's dive right in. Living with type 1 diabetes can be challenging, but it doesn't mean you have to compromise on your health goals. The low-carb diet has gained popularity as an effective way to manage diabetes. In this video, we'll uncover the science behind this approach, share success stories, and provide you with practical advice to embark on your low-carb journey confidently. Segment 1. What is a low-carb diet? To start off, let's understand what a low-carb diet is. A low-carb diet involves reducing your carbohydrate intake, which helps control blood sugar levels. Instead of relying on carbs for energy, you'll focus on consuming healthy fats, lean proteins, and nutrient-rich vegetables. This shift in your eating habits can lead to steadier blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Segment 2. Benefits of a low-carb diet for type 1 diabetics. The benefits of a low-carb diet for type 1 diabetics are remarkable. It can lead to better blood sugar control, reduced insulin requirements, and decreased risk of diabetic complications. Many individuals also report increased energy levels, weight management, and improved overall quality of life. Segment 3. Overcoming challenges. Of course, adopting a low-carb diet with type 1 diabetes can come with challenges. Monitoring blood sugar levels and adjusting insulin doses might require careful attention, but fear not. We're here to guide you through these challenges. With the right information and support from your healthcare team, you can navigate these hurdles and achieve success. Segment 4. Practical tips for success. Here are some practical tips to help you succeed on your low-carb journey. 1. Plan your meals with a balance of proteins, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables. 2. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and adjust your insulin doses accordingly. 3. Stay hydrated and prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. 4. Collaborate closely with your healthcare provider to tailor the diet to your individual needs. Segment 5. Success stories. Now let's hear from individuals who have embraced the low-carb lifestyle with type 1 diabetes. Their inspiring journeys showcase the positive impact of this approach on their health and happiness. Remember, everyone's experience is unique, but these stories might resonate with your own path to success. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the comprehensive guide to the low-carb diet for type 1 diabetics. By incorporating these insights into your life, you can take proactive steps towards better blood sugar management, increased energy, and improved overall well-being. Remember, your health journey is a continuous process, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Until next time, stay healthy and stay empowered.